Amazing eruption of the Stromboli volcano. This was just today. As you can see, the volcano was erupting suddenly and created this huge fountain of the lava. And what is more interesting is the context of this eruption. This eruption happened in this situation, in this setting. Listen and watch. And you could even hear the sound of the sonic boom of the eruption. I will play it again for you so you can listen to that. Of course, you can watch the volcanoes everywhere. In Iceland, you have to walk 20 kilometers. In Indonesia, you may get killed by it.
The island is actually a habitat, so we have a village there, but also on the other side of it, we have this volcano
this is the
erupting,
situation there.
as we
You have
can see
eruption
here.
during the day.
It can be really beautiful, like a firework,
like as if fireworks.
And as you can see, lots of
if you're lucky,
pyroclastics and lava rising, hot
this is part
lava.
of the collision
this is
zone
part
of the Africa
and the Eurasia collision zone.
This is the African
Africa is moving
and
northward,
Italy is at the boundary of them. And where this happens,
and where the subduction is happening,
one of the plates,
and the Stromboli and other volcanoes are erupting, including Vesuvius in the past.
Raises up as
this is the map of the Stromboli. You can see to the north side there is a flat area, pink colored in this one.
Usually erupts toward the northwest. And this is the Mediterranean Sea, as you can see, the old remnants of the Tethys Ocean. And the resulting is this volcano, which has access to the water, and it creates, steam explosions, very eruptive in that sense.